Hi there, it's George here, and here I have to show you update on my Sequoia trees, which I planted from seed and did made videos. I will let the links in description. So update they did grow a lot since last update. Last update I did show you in summertime. This kind of trees growing very slow, but they are the tallest tree in the world. And I have to show you all of them, all 6 spots here I have. And last year I germinated seeds, they so looking now. In April I germinated the seeds and seedlings are doing very good now. And they grow shoots, as you can see here. And just I will have to show you close up, let's see. The Bridgestone, a beautiful young sequoia tree, growing here, amazing. Such beautiful, all the leaves are very healthy and lush. And now in winter time growing here on the windowsill have around 20 degrees in my room. And they growing well here, but this they grow more because the source of heating is here, but it's cold now. The heating system working in the evening, in my case. And they are doing really good, added a layer of new potting soil here to absorb the nutrients, these beautiful trees, and they will grow even more big, and we'll see update in the springtime. I will see in May I will do update, so I love them, so beautiful they growing. As you can see, this is the biggest one in my collection, and that's it. This is number 2, as you can see here. It's a little bit more young, but this potting soil which I added a layer, it makes them more small, but anyway, they will grow and I take care. Water at the time. I water when I see substrate drying, then I water again. And I'm gonna no water on this new soil, but I'm gonna water here on the first times, that's it. So beautiful looking the number 2 of Sequoia. And here is the number 3 already. The size is good too already, and started to grow these branches, not only the top, but from side, another side like that, and it's good. The potting soil, the fresh potting soil is with perlite here, and will grow beautiful. On the size, this is number 4, and as you can see, beautiful too. I'm looking forward to grow more, as you can see how looking lush. They have already cold from the window, as you can see here, and does not grow so much in winter time. But in summer I will move outside this beautiful pots with sequoia tree, and will grow more strong, more fast, and we will see just. And number 5, as you can see how looking more and more small, but happy for it if we can turn it in such a way, as you can see the size, really good. Well, this is number 6 already here growing, beautiful too, looking forward to grow more, and yeah, so happy that all 6 which I planted, they are doing really good. I'm take care of them, and when one day we will see them more and more big, like 1 meter, and will be nice, will be awesome. So looking forward to grow them more beautiful. And as you can see, this is more big, it have about 2 or 3 centimeters. That's it. Well, thanks so much for watching to the end. That means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I posting new videos. And you can subscribe to my photography channel. link is in the corner and in description. And have an amazing day. Bye bye.